Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Since it is ball season, I wanted to do a ball inspired makeup look. So, you know, like a look that you can wear to a ball with sort of any dress, and this is also like a wearable look for any other occasion as well. So it's kind of like a soft full coverage look, and it is quite flattering for most skin types and to wear with most colors as well. For the look, I have just used like mostly cheaper products or drugstore, just so you can kind of get an idea of how you can do your own makeup at home for your ball without spending too much money on buying new makeup. So I hope you enjoy this video, and if you do, please do give it a like, and I'd love if you could subscribe to my channel as well. Also, I do freelancing in Auckland, so if you know of anybody who wants to get their makeup done for their ball or their prom, I can help them out with that as well. Thank you so much for watching. So to get started, I'm going to start on my eye makeup, and I'll be using the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer. I'm just going to use this all over my eyelids, and then I'm going to apply a eyeshadow primer over top. So you can blend this out just with your fingers or a brush. I'm just going to use my fingers. Then I'm going to go ahead and use the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion over top. So eyeshadow primer I think is really good for making sure your eyeshadow stays on a lot longer, and it helps like more like cheaper eyeshadows kind of stick on a bit better to your lids and last longer as well. But I just like always use an eyeshadow primer. For eyeshadow, I'm going to use the NYX The Go-To palette. So it looks like this. And these are the colors here. So this is like a nice affordable eyeshadow palette. So it does have like a blusher and a contour highlighter as well, but I'm going to just be using the eyeshadows for now. So to start off, I'm going to use this shade here, like the brownie shade. Yeah, so I'm just going to blend this out throughout my crease. I'm just using quite like a large fluffy brush for that. The next shadow I'm going to use is this like shimmery bronze tone here, and I'm just going to use like a smaller buffing brush to apply this. So I'm just going to apply this throughout like the outer half of my eyelid. So I'm just going to use that same big buffing brush to blend the shadows together a bit more so there's no harsh lines. Now I'm just going to apply this golden shadow here with a flat shading brush and more like towards the middle of my eyelid. I'm just going to use this lightest shade here in my inner corners of my eyes. So then I'm just going to go back in with that gold shadow and apply it in the middle of my eyelids a bit more. And I'm just going to apply this shadow on my brow bone as a highlight. And I'm just going to blend these together a bit more. Next, I'm just going to curl my lashes and apply some mascara. So I'm going to be using the False Lashes mascara from Essence. I'm going to be applying some very dramatic lashes because this look is quite like soft and golden, but it needs a little bit more with lashes, I think. Quite a big set of them, and I'm just going to apply this off of camera. Cool, so now that I've applied my lashes, I'm just going to draw a fine line with a liquid eyeliner over top the lash band. And I'm going to use the Clinique Pretty Easy liquid liner for this. So now I'm just going gonna go ahead and move on to my base makeup. And for my primer, I'm gonna use the Milani Prime Shield Primer. So this is quite like a nice affordable primer, and it's got more of a mattifying effect to it as well. So for foundation, I'm going to use the Ordinary Coverage Foundation. It's more like a semi-matte finish. And it's also very affordable, about $10 I think. So I'm just going to apply like a pump of it. And I'm just applying another like half pump to the rest of my face. I'm just going to use the Pro Concealer by LA Girl, so it's like an orange concealer. And I'm going to use this under my eyes just to help brighten up my dark circles. And then I'm just going to conceal the rest of my face and dab it in with my Beauty Blender. And I'm just using the same concealer as before. So now that I've applied concealer and foundation, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild contouring palette in the shade Caramel Toffee. And it's got like the banana powder for highlighting and then the contour for contouring. So I'm just going to apply the yellow powder under my eyes with a brush. And this is also a very affordable palette as well. It was about 13 New Zealand dollars. Then using the same brush, I'm just going to lightly contour my cheekbones and frame my face a bit as well. Apply this blusher here and then the highlighter over top as well. So now I'm just going to apply the same highlighter into my inner corners of my eyes. And now I'm going to use the Smoulder Kohl eyeliner from Soap & Glory. And I'm just going to use this in my top and bottom waterlines. So now that I've finished applying my base makeup, I'm just going to apply my brow. And for this, I'm going to be using the Milani Stay Put Brow Color in the shade Dark Brown. And to apply this, I'll just be using an angled brush. So it's basically a pomade, and I love this product. And it is only about 17 New Zealand dollars, I believe. And it comes with a free brush as well, but I think mine's broken. So that's basically the look done, and then now I just need to apply my lipstick. So for lip liner, I'm going to use the Mellow lip liner in the shade Rose. I'm going to use the MAC lipstick in the shade Twig. So that's basically my finished look. I wanted to go for something quite simple with affordable pricing as well for the makeup that I used. And I just wanted to go quite dramatic with the lashes just because it's a ball look, and I think this look can sort of suit any kind of ball dress as well. If you are wearing something quite subtle, I'd probably change this lipstick to more of like a red lip or something a bit bolder, and the eyeshadow can be built up to be a bit more smokier if you're wanting something that's not as like soft. I mean, I think it's quite a wearable look for any occasion. I just wanted to kind of do something quite elegant and flattering for most skin tones and most ball dresses and hair colors and all of that as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please do give it a like and subscribe if you want to. I really appreciate all the support as well, so thank you so much for watching. And if you are going to a ball or prom anytime soon, I hope you enjoy it and have a good time.